Hi everyone, I'm Southampton, England. The date is April 10th, and behind me is the RMS Titanic. Just hours before its historic maiden voyage. I still can't believe I'm actually here. April 10th, 1912. Everyone around me is excited for the journey of a lifetime, and now it's finally time for me to step aboard the Titanic. This is it. I'm actually boarding the Titanic. It's hard to imagine that everyone around me believes this will be the safest voyage ever made. Wow, I finally made it aboard. Everything looks even more beautiful than I imagined. It's hard to believe this incredible ship is about to change history forever. Everything here feels more like a royal palace than a ship. Every room is designed to impress, and the luxury is beyond anything I imagined. I can't believe people actually dined like this while crossing the Atlantic. It feels more like a royal palace than a ship. Every single detail is simply incredible. The ocean is unbelievably peaceful. Standing here, it's impossible to imagine that this beautiful evening will soon become one of history's most unforgettable nights. It's much colder tonight than it was earlier. But look at this sky. I've never seen so many stars in my entire life. Something feels a little different now. The crew suddenly looks much more serious. I wonder if everything is really okay. Wait, why is everyone suddenly looking toward the front of the ship? Something doesn't feel right anymore. Wait, what's happening? Everyone just stopped.
Iceberg! Right ahead!
Oh my God! Is that an iceberg? Oh my God! We just hit it!
Hard a starboard!
The whole ship shook!
Brace yourselves!
Everyone's panicking. This is really happening. Honestly, it didn't even feel like a huge crash. But the crew doesn't look calm anymore. I think something is seriously wrong.
Life jackets, everyone, please!
The crew just told everyone to wear life jackets. They're saying it's only a precaution, but honestly, I'm starting to get really worried. The first lifeboat is leaving, and there are still empty seats.
Women and children first!
I don't think anyone truly believes this ship is actually sinking. A few minutes ago, people were laughing. Now everyone looks scared. More families are coming up on deck, but some still believe the Titanic can't possibly sink.
Women and children first, please.
They're still playing music, even now. It's beautiful. But somehow it makes everything feel even more heartbreaking. The front of the ship is definitely lower now. You can actually feel the tilt when you walk. I don't think anyone can deny what's happening anymore. Another lifeboat is leaving, and now they're launching them one after another.
Lower away in unison, steady on the ropes.
You can feel the urgency growing with every minute. The lifeboats look so small out there, and the Titanic still looks unbelievably huge. It's hard to imagine that this ship could disappear beneath the ocean. You can actually feel the ship leaning now. Everyone's moving much faster.
All women and children to the port side!
I think people finally realize there's not much time left. They've started firing distress rockets. They're hoping another ship will see them. I really hope it's not too late. These are some of the last lifeboats. Looking around, there are still so many people left on board, and that's the hardest part to see. The deck is getting so steep that it's difficult to walk normally now. Every minute, the ship feels different. Time is running out. The stern is actually rising now. I never imagined I'd witness something like this. The whole ship feels like it's being pulled into the ocean. Everything feels different now. Even standing here, you can feel the ship slowly changing beneath your feet. It's becoming impossible to ignore. I've never experienced anything like this. The whole ship feels different now. Every sound makes this moment feel more real. The lights have disappeared. Everything is so quiet now. It's hard to believe this is really happening. I'll never forget what I witnessed tonight.